guys, so we're actually in a warehouse right now. This is going to be the first episode of our studio office builds. We have our two handymen, John and Christian. This is Christian. Oh gosh. And that's Tall John. And I'm Matt. I'm funding the project. I don't really know much about how to build a wall, but these guys do, so that's why they're here. We have, these are metal studs, and these are tracks. You can tell the difference because these have a hole in the back and these don't. So the tracks are gonna go down to the bottom and the top, and then the studs are gonna go vertically up to make the actual wall and sit up against the sheetrock. Yeah, so this is the spot. Pretty much just gonna be boxing this entire area in and forming a little hallway right here. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Hey, he's got his tools. I got it.
You got that drop, dude?
Oh, you grabbed my water. Thank you.
Yeah, we can't fuck it up. I know.
How you feeling?
Chilling.
He's chilling. He's nervous.
Just been out here something very permanent. Yeah, we would take these little 28.2mm bullets basically, and then we would just drop cinder blocks on them, and we would just blow giant holes in the floor. It was a lot of fun.
He's got his handy pencil. Oh, no. No. Okay.
Alright, hold this for a second.
Yeah.
Alright, cut. You didn't cut straight, right? No jiggling.
No jiggly wiggly.
Let me just cut it here. Just cut one side first, yeah?
Don't rip it.
I
Christian's
got it.
got this. Christian's got it. He's the man of the hour. Nice. Great job. Just twist it. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. So we pretty much just measured this all out. This is what, 12 feet from this wall to here?
Yeah.
And then this is like 13 or so from here to that wall. I'd say that's a pretty decent size. Hey, we have a friend.
Big friends.
What the hell you get, dude?
Oh, so you did get additional stuff.
That was at my house. This is a chalk line, so that we can create perfect lines
Nice.
on the concrete.
Be careful with that. What do you think of the space? You think it's a good size?
Yeah.
You think the space is a good size?
That's what you're gonna get.
That's as big as we're going? All right, Christian.
I got it.
Let's get her mounted.
I gotta cut this thing.
Yeah, cut it. Get cutty. What do you need me to do?
I need you over there. Tape again. You wanna see something? So now we're gonna do. That's a piece we're gonna cut in order to put it in together.
Look at that little nice arrow we drew.
And a nice arrow.
Ready, Matt?
Yeah. Oh shit, that shit's smoking. Is it hot? That's a nice little bullet right there. Dude, it would have been ideal if you gave me one that doesn't keep coming out. You'll ask for a screenshot. update. A lot of work done. We got John, Christian. We got James in the cut.
James as a supervisor.
James is the project supervisor.
I'm the inspector here.
Inspector Clouseau.
Making sure everything's
Hey, I mean, he was on the Tappan Zee Bridge, right?
That's right.
That's experience right there.
Experience.
And I'm terrified to drive over it every single time.
Yeah.
James did.
I'm still confident.
Yeah.
One day we just fall.
The
I think
concrete.
every project I've actually worked on has been a shit show, so. Exactly.
That's so cool to say though. You're like, I helped build this bridge.
Yeah, every project I've been on, except for I think 2, has been a multi-billion-dollar project. I keep landing some pretty sweet gigs as far as my work goes.
Well, you want to know why?
You're an engineer.
You're pretty sweet.
I'm pretty sweet.